Alright guys, been a while since we've seen the C10, but gotta give it a little bit of drip. Stay tuned. Let's get into it.
Hey, I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Alright y'all, C10 is over here looking beautiful as always. Getting ready to apply a decal, vinyl decal to the back window. Now, I didn't specifically make this decal for this truck, but it's the only one that ain't got no drip. So, clean it off with some window cleaner, microfiber towel. Make sure you have a good clean surface. For it to adhere to, I think ours we're gonna just be putting down right here in the corner. I have a feeling this is not the cleanest. Hold on, y'all. Let me get an actual shop towel or something. Alright, so I hit it again with the shop towels. I mean, granted, it's probably like the original window. It's probably as clean as it's gonna get. I hit it from the inside and the outside. I mean, it's not terrible, it's just, I notice it. So, anyway, go ahead and get your decal that you're going to apply. This is the one that we're going to apply on the window right here. Telling you to subscribe, and we on Instagram, LSJRock254. So we're gonna boom, put that right there. It's kind of hard to see because it's white, but now that you got your surface clean and applied, then you just apply it. A lot of videos on how to do it. I ain't gonna walk you out to that and bore you with that. But we'll touch it back on when it's done. So I don't like the way that this one is trying to separate. So this video just turned into a, well, not a how-to, but we're gonna walk you through the whole process. Let's go. So like we were saying, we had to pretty much cut new vinyl. You see the design there. Actually went ahead and cut this one. I cut another one. It's like a Chevrolet sign. I don't think, like I said, they're hard to see on this white, but you'll see. That's like the LSX one. Yeah, I'll get them weeded and then get them ready to transfer and then go from there. Alright, so now that that one's weeded out, you can see it a whole lot better. LF6 on that one. We can go ahead and do the next one. Alright, so we got that one cut out. Alright, then we got one more. And there's the last one. We gotta finish picking out all them little things. It's supposed to be stars. So when I get back, we'll go ahead and apply it to the truck. Alright, so we back. We got our new decals cut. I had to recut that one. And then we cut an LSX one. I don't know which one I kind of want to go with here. LSX would probably be nice. Got an LSX one. Maybe, I think for this video we'll do just the LSX one. I'm not gonna put nothing on the windshield. We possibly could come back and put something across the top. That's totally up to you. I do want to get some measurements for it though. if you want to get some measurements for it. So now let me get this one. I already got the window clean. I'm gonna get this peeled off and then we're gonna get it installed. Alright, so I switched it up on y'all. This is the one I decided to go with. We just brandishing it on there, making sure it's on there and it's flat. No air bubbles. Like how I'm not gonna represent for the channel, know what I'm talking about? How I'm not. It's a white, so it's a nice contrasting color. Should be easy to be seen. Like a little air bubble we gotta work out there. So I'm gonna probably start selling these, man. I'm probably just gonna stick to either this in your name, like if your channel name is the same, channel and your Instagram is the same, make it like that, or if you need two separate ones, do it like that. We could do one with your subscribe, one with your Instagram, or if they both the same, do it like this. If you need two separate ones, it'd be like $10. Also, you gotta let me know your measurements. This one here is about actually, let me finish putting the roof on. Let me finish putting it on. Get a measurement. But yeah, anyway, $10 per like this size and smaller. But if you need something bigger, then of course the price goes up. Yeah, I like that. It looks good. It looks good. Got the ball for the good shots. Definitely looks good. Alright, let's get the measurements so y'all know, have an idea. So I want to say this one was about 8 inches, give or take. I think pretty much the whole design like kind of was up to 8 inches. So if you just let me know how wide you need it, of course you can choose your placement if you want it over to the side, or I personally would go with this on the side if it's just the Instagram. If you got your Instagram and your YouTube, I would put them side by side, and then the name at the bottom. But if you have two separate ones, and you just have a YouTube, you could put the name above, or put the name on top, or you can leave the button on top. Totally up to you. Like I said, pretty much I'm gonna do anything up to 12 inches, which would be this large. It'll be a little bit larger than this. Anything up to 12 inches wide, or actually anything up to like 11 and a half inches wide, because the machine cuts that way. Anything up to 11 and a half inches wide will be $10. Anything larger than that, then we'll have to, it'll go up from there. They're like 15. But it requires a whole different substrate and everything like that. So if you're interested, get at your boy. Let me know. I was thinking about putting this one on the other side. Let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll cut y'all that on. Alright, so we got that one on there, and we got the other one on the other side, as you can see over there. LS6. Just a little warning. That's like a warning sticker, you know. Just a little warning sticker, like you might not want to try it. I think that's all I'm gonna do for this truck. Don't want it to be necessarily a sticker bomb. I am curious about, and I mean technically, I guess you don't necessarily want to go on all the way across. This decal will be similar to the one that went across the front of the cutters. But instead of saying LS Samurai 254, it'll say, or instead of saying LSX Innovation, it'll say something different. But just to give like an idea, that's about, so that right there is about 42 inches, a little bit over 3 feet long. So I guess really, I would say 4 feet would be like the standard, but I don't know if 4 feet would be too wide for some people. For me, I think 4 feet would probably be a little bit excessive. That's 4 feet right there. Well, maybe not too much. I guess it just really depends on what it says. But 4 feet would be okay. And then depending upon how far down you want it to let it come, probably no longer than 4. Probably no larger than 4 inches. Probably be 3 inches to be good. 4 inches. So something that large. I wouldn't want to like mail it. But if you feel confident that you can get it put on yourself, then I might consider something that long though. It'll probably run you like 20, 25, something like that. So just some food for thought, man, if y'all thinking about dressing up everything. But yeah, C10 is definitely coming along. Knocking stuff off the list. Back bumper on. We gotta get this hood up out of here. On the interior, as you can see, the door panels are on. They're not dressed. They are not dressed. However, I don't know if I turn the light on. Let me hit the lights. Yeah, so as you can see, the door panels on there, they're not dressed. However, they are on there, but that's all that kind of matters to me. Like I said, we got the portion that needs to be screwed in at the bottom. Those are going to cover up those speaker holes. And I should have them. Yeah, I I got them right back here. So we'll get those installed here in the next video or so. I ain't even had those on the list, but of course something needs to be done. Yeah, other than that, man, I mean, C10 is pretty much come together. Good to go. Closer and closer to making their debut on these streets. Front bumper on looking good. So looks like a truck again when she all together. Like I said, eventually we'll drop it or whatever. And then, it's not that big of a deal to me at this time. Eventually we'll get there. Leave something to the imagination, but like I said a lot of times before, man, it's just time to enjoy the fruits of our labor. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy the fruits of our labor. Cortez's labor. Be out here in the streets. His C10 when he hit the streets, so I need to be out there neck and neck. Neck and neck. So she ready. Alright, man, anytime. Not anytime. Meantime, in between time, it's your boy, the Chevrolet 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, grind don't stop.